What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to take a look at a couple of important updates we have got for Google's applications like Google Messages and Google App itself. The first one is for Google Messaging application. Let's open Google Messages. I have already opened a chat over here. And now we all know that we can tap on this plus button to go to this grid here, the options that we get here. Gallery, camera, GIF, stickers, magic compost, etc. All this while, we did not have an option to move these items around here. We couldn't really place the ones that we prefer right on top here. Basically, there was no customization option at all. But now, Google has silently added this feature. We can just press and hold on a specific item here to move it around. As you can see, I'm easily able to move it around here. Let's say I prefer to have a real-time location right on top, then I can move it right over here. Schedule send right on top, and then maybe I can push the one-time location here, probably on the second grid here. Likewise, I can customize this now on Google Messaging application. That's a brand new feature. Now, Google did add a couple of new features recently. Both are pretty good feature. One is real-time location sharing for live tracking. The second one is just one-time location sharing. These two are the brand new features which recently Google added on Google Messages. And they also added the theming. If you are not aware of this, I already posted a video about this. Let's say for a particular contact, if you want to change the theme, set a background, you can do that by tapping on the three-dot button and tap on chat theme. And now you will see this brand new carousel at the bottom where you can choose the color options here and you can choose any of the background images. We have got multiple different categories here. You can choose the one that you want. This also got added recently on Google Messages, just in case if you have missed it. The recently added new feature is customizing the shortcuts menu on Google Messaging application. Now let me also share the version number here for your information. You can see the version number is 202.60731. Now, let's take a look at the second update, which is rolling out right now, but may not have arrived on all the devices. Even I did not get this specific update, but I got some information from Android Authority. Let me open Google application here. Now, when I tap on the search button, this is what we get to see, right? Let me tap on this again. We have got auto search is on, search for song. These are the two options that we get. But now Google is enhancing this voice search feature. Let me show you what exactly is coming to your phone. Let's open gallery here. I have taken some images from Android Authority. You can see this. This is the listening page. And at the bottom, we have got all the options: search, AI mode, live, and song search. All of them are available right here at the bottom on this floating bar, which is pretty nice. Auto search on indicator is right over here. And let's look at the second one. You can see this. This is the listening animation that you're going to see. And right here at the bottom, we have got this stop button. And then comes this page where you can see this animation here. And at the bottom, we've got mute button, video button, and transcript button. This is something brand new. And this is another screenshot which is available. As you can see, the voice search on Google is changing, and we are getting this new update very soon. Keep updating your Google applications. Currently, I have this particular version, which is 17.46.13, and I have already enrolled myself to the Google beta program. I may be seeing this feature very, very soon. So update your Google application and messaging application. You may be able to see some brand new feature, which I showcased in today's video. That's about it. Let me know if you have got this feature or not. If you love this wallpaper, you can go ahead and open Volvo's application and search for cars. You will be able to see similar wallpapers, including this one here. And this is a beautiful lock screen wallpaper, which we recently added on the freemium section. Do go ahead and check out our Volvo's wallpaper application. You are going to fall in love with this. I'm pretty sure about that because there are tons of collections. Every day we keep adding new wallpapers. The video wallpapers are beautiful. We have got some desktop wallpapers as well. We did refresh it under premium section recently. Do go ahead and check the application out, and do not forget to rate it 5-star on Play Store. That motivates me to keep adding more and more wallpapers for you guys. So do rate the application on Play Store. That's all I have here. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Hit that like button if you find this video informative. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.